Bang! Foamy brown topping. Ayun! Kaya pala naging dalgona. I really recommend this drink. Sobrang thick. Thick. Sarap. Ito yung masasabi kong babalik-balikan mo sa sarap. Promise. Mas malamig, mas masarap.
I walk around like that nigga. Finger on the trigger. If a nigga wants some smoke, I let it chopper eat his liver. I came with the 38, I'm leaving with a body. If he try me.
Hi! Welcome sa ating cooking show. Hey, what's up guys? So, it's Roshane na welcome back to my maaraw. So, for today's video, we are going to make dalgona coffee. Yes po, gagawa tayo ng dalgona coffee na makikita nyo all over your social media, lalong-lalo na sa TikTok, sa YouTube, sa Instagram, sa Facebook, sa Twitter, all over the world, yes. And yon, super basic lang ang kailangan nyo even without this mixer, yes. Makakagawa kayo ng dalgona coffee. Even though you don't have the electric mixer, you can use fork or just whisk. Any will do, basta mahalo ng ayos. And yun, I'm so excited to make this drink, and this is my first ever video in my channel, how to make edition. Yeah. This is my first ever drink that I'm going to make in my channel. That's why. Yes. And yun, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Super basic na mga kailangan. 3 ingredients. Let's go! Hi! And yun, simula na tayo. So yan, all we need is just 3 ingredients, which is, first one is coffee. Coffee, any coffee will do. Yes. So I'm using Nescafe. Not sponsored. We also need sugar. Yan, para matamis. Next one is milk. If you want powdered milk or fresh milk, it's up to you. Depends to you kung anong gusto nyo, kung ano meron kayo sa bahay. Yes. And yun lang. Yun lang. And also we need hot water, kutsara or spoon. And also we need bowl ng pagmimixan and whisk or spoon or electric mixer. Ayan. Hindi ko yung gano'n, diba? Kasi ayokong gumamit ng electric mixer and tatry kung wala electric mixer. Ito lang. Whisk. So, ayan. First, ready nyo muna yung coffee, bowl, and yung inyong kutsara. Coffee and sugar. Yes. Ayan. Mag-asawa. So, ang gagawin natin is 2 spoon ng sugar. Sugar and coffee. Lutang ka, girl. And yon, gawin na natin ang ating dalgona coffee. Ba? Ayan. Ay! Kabasag pa yan. So, 2 spoon. Boom! Haha! Naku po. Too much caffeine. Ayan, meron na tayong coffee. Next one is sugar naman. And sorry sa lighting. Kasi nandito ako sa bintana. Next one is sugar. 1, 2, saka diabetes. Okay na. Pagkatapos nyo lagyan ng coffee and sugar, ready nyo na yung inyong hot water na ilalagay sa mixture. So, 1 and 2. Ayos na yun! Yes. This is what it looks like if you put sugar, coffee, and hot water in the bowl. So, ngayon, let's start whisking it. With just using this one. Hey, let's go! So, ayun, get ready to mix na. Mix. Sabi, mahaba-haba daw na proseso ang paghahalo, but so, sabi doon, hindi daw titigil hanggat hindi maging thick or super creamy, thick, yung parang hindi nalalaglag noon. So, let's try hanggang sa abot natin makakaya. Yun, let's mix. Haluin natin siya hanggang sa magkulay light. From dark to light, ganun. Yes. Magigiling ang iyong katawan. Yes! To be honest, nagtry ako nito last week na ata. Yes, and ginamit ko is tinidor lang. Pero hindi siya ganun katik. Pakahirap pag tinidor. Halos 30 minutes di pa rin tapos. So you can see, from very dark, nagbabrown na siya, light brown. And until we achieve the very light color na sobrang thick and creamy. So, yon, let's keep on mixing. Yes. It's getting lighter and lighter and lighter. Believe me, kapag gumamit kayo ng whisk, mas mapapadali ang buhay nyo kaysa sa tinidor. Yes, kaya kung meron kayong whisk sa bahay, or much better if electric mixer. Yes. Ilang sis, kaya mo yan. Kaya natin to. Yes sis, go lang. So now, I think pwede na nating gamitin itong hinalo natin. Like, super thick na. Hindi na runny ah. Sobrang thick. Thick. Yun, oh, hindi pa napatak. I think we're done mixing. We're done mixing. So now, let's make yung sa milk na part. So, let's go. And isinantabi muna natin ng ating minutes. Oh! And, yun nga pala, ang gagamitin ko is this one. Yan, ganyan. Yes, ganyan sis. And, magtitimpla muna tayo ng powdered milk. Then, saka lalagyan ng yellow. Then, this one. So, let's go. So, ngayon, magdudok-dok tayo ng yellow. Ata kami nung ice cube, ganun. Hindi ko lang kung saan napalagay kaya. So, meron na tayong ice cubes. Ayan. And lalagay na natin. And naghinaw pala ako ng kamay kaya. Now we have our container with ice cubes. Ice cubes. With ice. Then our mixture of sugar, coffee, and our milk. So let's now put the milk. Oh my god! Kulang!
Oh my god!
Nagdamusak na tayo sis. Nagdamusak na po. Mumura tayo. So now we are going to put our mixture to this one. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Oh my god! So happy sa aking ginawa. Ang thick! Sobrang thick. Wow!
Something for your mind.
So, ngayon, magte-taste test na tayo. Yan, and may kaulang pa tayong tinapay. Iyon, para mas masarap. And, ayun. Siyempre, lasang gatas. And, tikman na natin. Naano ko yung mixture, yung paet. And, tikman na natin. Sarap. Sarap. Mukbang. Mukbang. Kasi lang masasabi ko, sarap. Sarap. This is what I mean dun sa consistency. Bula-bula siya and hindi lang siya like plain. Ganun. Tingnan nyo. Diba? Ang galing. Sarap. Para talagang frothy coffee. So, for you to subscribe. So, nandito na rin naman kayo, kaya sabihin ko sa inyo all of the information about this Dalgona coffee. So, nakipag-search ako kay Maring Google, kaya let's know and spill the tea about this coffee. Let's go! So, ayan, it said here that Dalgona coffee is a beverage made by whipping equal proportions of instant coffee, sugar, and hot water until it becomes creamy, and then adding it to cold or hot milk. Yon, kung gusto nyo pang lagyan ng toppings, spring free kayo doon. Yes? The drink itself origins from India, Pakistan, and Macau, where it is also known as whipped coffee or beaten coffee kasi nga minix at hinalo. Then, its surge in popularity happened when it appeared on a Korean TV show. Actor Jung Woo, who had encountered the coffee in Macau, he called it dalgona. After a Korean candy that resembles the foamy brown topping. Ayun, kaya pala naging dalgona.
Yes.
What does dalgona mean? Korean candy made with melted sugar and baking soda. When a pinch of baking soda is mixed, huwag na yan. Nasabi, basta yun, Korean candy. Isang paalaala po, please drink more and a lot of water after you drink this dalgona coffee kasi sobrang daming asukal and coffee na ilagay. Kaya, yes, drink more water. So yun.
Sige na. Did you wanna be? Blub, 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 blub.
Sarap naman ng tubig eh. Sabihin mo, dalgona coffee. Dalgona coffee. If you want more how to make edition like this, let me know in the comment box section down below and I'm going to do that on my next video. Yes? So if you're into cold drinks, I think pak na pak to sa yung dalgona coffee. I really recommend this drink, 11/10. Yes. And yon. Huwag kalimutang uminom ng tubig. So that's it guys for this video and sorry po kung sabog na ako. Yon, that's it guys for this video and I really recommend to do this drink at home. Super dali lang na mga ingredients, super basic as in 3 ingredients lang. Coffee, sugar, and milk. Yon. Kayo na bahala sa milk. Yes. So that's it guys for this video and I hope you enjoyed and learned something in this video, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up down below. Also don't forget to subscribe for more videos here in my channel and click that notification bell button beside the subscribe button so you'll be notified whenever I posted a whole new video. Yes! And comment down below your video suggestions if you want more like this. How to make blank. Just comment down below so I will do in my next video. And that's it guys. And new video every week. See you in my next one. Just stay positive and spread the good vibes. Stay safe. Stay at home. Bye! Before I end this video, if you reach until here, oh my god, I love you very much. You're very smart. And yun, gusto ko lang shout out aking mga friends. Miss you all. Gusto ko na marinig yung mga galpakan yung tao. Wow. Gusto ko yung shout out sina Madeline, sina Ina, sina Handay, sina Ashley, sina Hi Carol! Rafael, lalong-lalo na si Carla, magaling. Ginagawa mo. Yun, thank you sa inyo lahat. Bye-bye.